the new desk situation, right by the window, right by Val. That box under there is my TBR because it does not fit on my shelf anymore. We've got this cute typewriter dispenser for sticky notes. This is my current bullet journal. There's more sticky notes in that box there. I don't know, pins, various detritus, you know, desky things. There's some papers in there. My art supplies are in here. They used to live in a closet, but now they're out. And then that's various colors of cardstock. Yeah, that's basically it. Huzzah! And then we have this desk over here, which has some pretty things, some more sticky notes. My blue light glasses live in there. I need to get candy for that thing. Various things. And then obviously, you know, space to write. You can tell that I have had mugs on this a lot. It's fine. Drawer full of nonsense. You don't really need to see all of that. And then the mugs still live in here for now. Happily. I haven't actually sat here and used this space yet, but it's set up, and I'm excited to use it. So, I'm also yawning. Don't mind me. Yeah. We'll see how this goes. Also, there's a galaxy wall. Enjoy.